Hey there. You know, I haven't been as motivated to post videos lately. It's kind of one of those things where you just drag your feet sometimes. So figured let's go camping instead and take some videos of that and share some of the fun journeys and experiences with the Maverick topper that I've got here behind me. So let's go camping. And just like that, we're ready to roll. Hey, bud. Yeah, you bet. Thank you. You ready to go camping?
Did Mom bring my stuff?
Yeah, she did. I got it in the truck.
Grandpa already in there?
No, we gotta go pick him up. Hurry, let's go. Well, we finally made it. Site number 19. I'm pretty sure we were the last ones to get a spot, but here's the truck and camper, and we successfully got a fire going. So that's always good news. Isn't that pretty, bud? Look at that. That is gorgeous. You even have orange colors on the trees. Orange leaves on the trees. That is a nice hot dog if I say so. So open your mouth. Oh, did you swallow it? Okay. I was gonna have you spit out the toothpaste. Did it taste good? Okay, yummy. Do that, Pop.
Thank you, Grandma.
You're very welcome. One for Uncle Scott.
Are we going to make food with those things last time? Because I want to. Pretty please?
With the roasting sticks?
Uh-huh. Could we?
We'll have to see what we can roast. Doesn't take much to get the fire going, does it?
Nope.
Isn't that interesting how that works?
Yeah.
Now, if this were to collapse right now, it would be done.
Oh, I know.
It's interesting because you can have different levels of the fire. You can have build at the bottom, the middle, or the top. You want it at the bottom, but
That
yeah.
looks like you can buy some at the store.
Buy some more wood?
Yeah.
You think so?
Uh-huh.
Or should I build another camper to get more scrap wood? What do you think?
It's so big.
It is so big. And about 22 hours later, we're back. Fun trip, went quick. Thanks for watching.